Hello everyone, my name is Belle. I'm an intern with RetireSafe, and welcome to my video on how to order groceries and other supplies online. Now, why would you want to do this? You can get groceries this way without leaving your house. They can be delivered right to your door, and it can be contact-free. If you decide to do this, an online shopping employee at the store will receive your order. They'll go through the store and put together all of your items, and then either them or another employee will drive it to your house and drop it off. To do this, you're going to need a device like a computer, a tablet, or smartphone, something that can connect to the internet, and an internet connection. And then it's not listed on screen, but you're also going to need some method to pay for your groceries, like a debit card or credit card. There are many different services, apps, websites that you can do this on. These are just some of the examples, and in this video, I'm going to show you a walkthrough using Instacart and Shipt. This is going to be a walkthrough for people starting from square one, so some of this might seem kind of obvious to some of you, but we're going to go over it anyway. So the very first thing you want to do is put Instacart into Google, search for it up here. And as you can see, it's the first result that comes up, so I'm going to click on this link. This screen is going to be the next thing I see. It's going to give me some options for stores in my area that I can choose to shop from. I'm going to pick Costco. Now, it's only going to ask you to do this the first time you use this website. It's going to ask you to create an account using either your phone number, your Facebook, or your email. In this case, I'm going to use my Gmail. After this, I'm not going to have to create an account anymore, but it will ask for my login information whenever I return. There's going to be different categories that I can search through to find the items that I want. As you can see, I'm in the fresh fruit category right now, and it will tell me my items, how much they are, and how much, in this case, this would be 2 pounds of strawberries that I'm adding to my cart. You can also search up here for individual items if you can't find something in the categories. Everything that I add to my cart will be added to this shopping cart up at the top right, and you're going to click this when you're ready to check out. Before you proceed, make sure to double check everything that's in your cart. Do you have all of the correct items? Are they the correct sizes and the correct amounts? Is there anything that you don't want in your cart? Make sure you make any edits. You can go back, make edits, and then when you're ready, proceed to checkout, which I'm going to do now. When you go to checkout, it's going to ask you for some information. So to start, it's going to ask you for your address so that the driver knows where to bring the food. This is optional, but if you need to put any delivery instructions, it will give you a chance to do that. In this case, I wrote, "Please leave the groceries at the blue back door," but again, this is optional. Next, you're going to choose when you would like your groceries delivered. In this case, I get a free priority bonus for signing up for 14 days from Instacart. Standard is also free, and then I can also choose a window of time in the future if I'm not going to be around, maybe at 5, for them to drop the food off. Next, it will ask you for your phone number just in case something happens and the delivery driver needs to contact you. And then you will select your method of payment. As you can see, it does take EBT and SNAP. And then there you go. You've successfully ordered online groceries. So we're going to do one more walkthrough. It's pretty much the same thing, but there's just some slight variations. This is going to be using a smartphone and using the app Shipt. So what I want to do first is go to where I get my apps from. In this case, it's the Google Play Store. And I will search for Shipt. And here it is. I will install it, and then here it is downloaded onto my phone. You can see that it looks different, but it also looks similar to our Instacart screen. So because first it's going to ask me to create an account, which I will do using my Google, and then it's going to ask for my address so it can look for stores in my area. It's going to give me a selection of nearby stores once I put in my address. In this case, I'm going to pick Walgreens, just to show you that you can do more than just food. Same thing, it's going to show me different categories like first aid basics, or I can search at the top for the items that I want, and then I can click this plus to add them to my cart, which will again be in the top right corner of my screen. Again, I will double check that I have the things that I want, nothing that I don't want, and when I am confident in my list, I will click checkout. Again, it's going to ask me when I would like my order delivered. I can pick the day and I can pick the window of time when I'll be around. It's again going to ask for any specific instructions for the delivery driver, which is optional, but in this case I put the gate code is 123 and the dog will bark, ignore him. Again, it's going to ask you for your phone number, just in case the driver needs to contact you. And then it will ask me for my card information. It will show me my price. There's going to be some taxes for the service fee, and then I can place my order. And there you go. Again, you've successfully ordered online groceries. At the end here, I've just included a couple of reminders. So first of all, it's okay if you make a mistake. This is definitely a learning process, and I have absolutely accidentally ordered the wrong thing, the wrong size, a certain variation, and it can be frustrating, but I would not let that stop you from trying again. And then, just like in-person shopping, they might not always have the items that you want stocked in the store, and if they don't have an item, unfortunately, there's nothing that they can do about it. So the online shopper should ask you if you would like a substitution, if you want to switch it out for something similar or something else, or if you want to leave it off the order entirely. And then lastly, technology can be confusing for everyone, so don't be ashamed to ask someone for help if you need it. Thank you all so much for watching. Enjoy your online grocery shopping, and thank you from Retire Safe. Have a wonderful day.